The H1B Guy here. Today, the H1B Guy forecasts. October 2023, Visa Bulletin employment-based predictions. It's the first of the month, and it means it's time for my monthly employment-based Visa Bulletin predictions. But before we get started, I'd like to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube and like this video so that I can continue to produce more content like this for you. I also wanted to mention the H1B Guy offers a variety of consulting services. I help businesses and individuals solve complex work authorization issues in the recruitment process while bringing awareness to employment-based immigration benefits. If I can help you, please reach out. I'd love to hear how. And you can book an appointment directly with me via the h1bguy.com. Today's post is brought to you by Syndesis and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high-skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain, by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process, and by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa-related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner Mob Squad has a solution. Join the squad. Well, I'd like to thank everyone who checked out the H1B Guy forecasts, September 2023 Visa Bulletin employment-based predictions that posted on August 1st, and the H1B Guy grades, September 2023 Visa Bulletin predictions versus the actual bulletin released that posted on August 10th, where I reviewed my September forecast. I also want to thank you for checking out the H1B Guy final grade for employment-based Visa Bulletin predictions for fiscal year 2023 that posted on August 21st, where I calculated all of my predictions from fiscal year 2023. If you're new to this channel, I cover employment-based immigration benefits, including my monthly Visa Bulletin predictions. Last month, I graded out at 65%, 15 out of 23. I'll continue to use the bulletins from 6 months prior and last month's bulletin to identify if there are any noticeable trends. Starting with the September 2023 Visa Bulletin's number of days forward movement month over month, and the number of days of forward movement over the last 6 months from the April 2023 Visa Bulletin. So let's start with the September 2023 Visa Bulletin final action dates for India and EB1, January 1st, 2012, no forward movement month over month, 3,684 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. EB2, January 1st, 2011, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, January 1st, 2009, no forward movement month over month, 1,261 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. For final action dates for China in EB1, February 1st, 2022, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. EB2, July 8th, 2019, no forward movement month over month, 30 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, September 1st, 2019, 92 days of forward movement month over month, 304 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. For final action dates for Philippines in EB2, July 1st, 2022, 91 days of forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. For final action dates for all chargeability in EB2, July 1st, 2022, 91 days of forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. For final action dates for all chargeability in EB3, May 1st, 2020, no forward movement month over month, 1,065 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. And EB4, September 1st, 2018, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. And for final action dates for Mexico in EB4, September 1st, 2018, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. Moving on to dates of filing for India in EB1, June 1st, 2022, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. EB2, May 1st, 2012, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, August 1st, 2012, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. For dates of filing for China in EB1, June 1st, 2022, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. EB2, October 8th, 2019, no forward movement month over month, 92 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, November 1st, 2019, 61 days of forward movement month over month, 273 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. For dates of filing for Philippines in EB2, December 1st, 2022, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. For dates of filing for all chargeability in EB2, December 1st, 2022, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, May 1st, 2023, no forward movement month over month, 30 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB4, October 1st, 2018, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. And days filing for Mexico in EB4, October 1st, 2018, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. So, with all of that being said, let's forecast the October 2023 Visa Bulletin for employment based preferences. Disclaimer: these dates are completely made up guesses based on my own personal hunches and historical data. For the October 2023 Visa Bulletin, the H1B Guy forecasts final action dates for India in EB1, February 1st, 2022, EB2, May 1st, 2012, EB3, June 15th, 2012. For final action dates for China in EB1, June 1st, 2022, EB2, November 8th, 2019, EB3, December 1st, 2019. For final action dates for Philippines in EB2, December 1st, 2022. For final action dates for all chargeability in EB2, December 1st, 2022. For EB3, May 1st, 2022. And EB4, January 1st, 2019. For final action dates for Mexico in EB4, January 1st, 2019. Moving on to dates of filing for the October 2023 Visa Bulletin, I forecast in India EB1, December 1st, 2022, EB2, November 1st, 2012, EB3, December 1st, 2012. For dates filing for China in EB1, December 1st, 2022, EB2, January 8th, 2020, EB3, March 1st, 2020. For dates filing for Philippines in EB2, June 1st, 2023. For dates filing for all chargeability in EB2, June 1st, 2023. EB3, September 1st, 2023. And EB4, March 1st, 2019. For dates of filing for Mexico in EB4, March 1st, 2019. So to recap, I'm forecasting forward movement across all categories. Some categories will return to their dates from the April 2023 Visa Bulletin, and some will move back to their July 2023 Visa Bulletin dates, while others will see somewhere between 3 to 6 months of forward movement from their September 2023 Visa Bulletin dates. The October Visa Bulletin is traditionally very difficult to predict without knowing the exact numbers available for the fiscal year. The outlook for fiscal year 2024 is that the total numbers available will be much lower than the previous 3 years and will likely lead to a lot slower forward movement across most of the categories after the October 2023 Visa Bulletin has been posted. Now it's time to forecast the release date of the October 2023 Visa Bulletin. I'm predicting Thursday, September 14th, 2023 as the release date of the October 2023 Visa Bulletin, was Wednesday, September 13th, 2023, and Friday, September 15th, 2023 as my second and third options. So, recapping those release dates again: first, Thursday, September 14th, 2023; second, Wednesday, September 13th, 2023; and third, Friday, September 15th, 2023. Once the October 2023 Visa Bulletin is released, we'll put together the H1B Guy grades to see how I did with this month's predictions. For the full post on the H1B Guy forecasts, October 2023 Visa Bulletin employment-based predictions, please check out the h1bguy.com. And a reminder that today's post is brought to you by Syndesus and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high-skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain. If you're facing an H-1B denial or OPT expiration, don't get caught off guard. Make sure you have a plan B, and Syndesus and Path to Canada are your answers. They'll gladly help you navigate the process, and if you'd like to find out if you qualify, please be sure to use the link in the video description below, and someone from Syndesus or Path to Canada will be in touch. By PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. If you're looking to reduce your cost and overhead associated with PERM labor certification recruitment advertising, let PERM-Ads.com help you. And by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner Mob Squad has a solution. Mob Squad helps technology professionals facing U.S. work visa related uncertainty remain working with their current U.S. employer nearshore from Canada, as well as technology professionals from around the world who are seeking to find a rewarding opportunity in North America. Through their partnership with the Canadian government, they can obtain a Canadian work permit for you and your spouse in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. So, whether you're looking to stay working with your current U.S. company or you want to find a new opportunity in Canada, please find out how the team at Mob Squad can help you via the link in the video description below. Join the squad. Just wanted to ask you again to please like this video, subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube, and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified anytime we post new content here to this channel. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate your support. The H1B Guy, your global source for all things H1B.